Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be playing Animal Jam as usual. And I don't really know what we're going to be doing. We can do something, I don't know what, but just something, I guess. Also, how do I look, guys? Tell me. I was trying to zoom in my face. How do I look? Do you guys want to try and stalk bodies? See what's going on in their life? Let's check out our den. Stalker. Alrighty, I may just show you. This thing is still. Okay, never mind, guys. Just never mind. I need to hide. I don't want camouflage though. How can I stalk them? Okay. Told her den. She will never realize anything. Never. Okay. Hide behind this. I'll camouflage indeed. Don't have any branding. She's not doing anything. See? It's just stalking her and then following where she goes. So let's go to Jamal. Township. Yeah, she's probably trading. So, that's not what it is. Okay. A YouTuber. Is this still? It's not. Oh god. Oh no, people are doing role plays. I can't just. And everybody here is like, okay, I'm gonna have to leave. I'm gonna fit. Is this? Oh my god, the guys, this must be. It's good. So guys, welcome to today. Up here. Let's do up. Just relax. I need to look silly. It's a silly kind of face. We are going to Sophia first. JK.